What's up? So, I am on a journey and I am trying to lose weight. I have surgery coming up in June and I am on this journey. I am trying so hard. Y'all know I love food. It's really difficult. Today is day number 2 on my water fast. Of course, I mixed in some zero sugar Gatorade packets or whatever, so I'm just trying to get as much water as I can in, and every time I do have like a hunger pain, I try to just drink some water. But actually, I'm so surprised that this is day 2 of a water fast and I don't really feel bad. Like, I'm not like, oh, I'm so hungry. Every time I do feel like quitting, I put on an inspirational video, whether it be surgery or just like weight loss related or whatever, like Fat, Sick, and Nearly Dead. I've started watching that. So, oh Lord, the treadmill done started on me. What I pressed? Lord, I done started up. Anyway, so I'm going to insert what I weighed before my what I weighed before I started this workout. I'm going to insert how long this treadmill workout was. I didn't do a long time because I do have to go to work. So I'm about to get out of this. I have on my sauna suit, y'all, and my waistband, and I got the whole suit on. So, yep, that's what it is right now, y'all. I gotta get ready for work. I'm gonna talk to y'all every day of this. I'm trying to do 7 days. If I can't do 7, I'm gonna go for at least 3, 4, 5, whatever, 6, whatever. I'm gonna try to get to 7 though. So I'm gonna check in every day of this. So it's going to be water fast, okay, and at least a treadmill workout or a walking workout. Whatever workout I do, I'm gonna just check in every day and catch y'all up. All right, y'all. Hey y'all, so today is April 14th, and excuse my makeshift background. I just had to hang it up because I'm at work and I don't want the background to be seen. But today is day 4 of my 10-day challenge, and I am down, let me see, 3, 4, almost like 7 pounds. So 6 for sure, but when I get home and weigh myself, I am an everyday weigher, and I really don't like that about myself. But sometimes you need that scale to keep you on track, because you never know until you're about 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 pounds in and your pants are not fitting that you have put on. But I am just about 7 pounds down. The plan I'm on is lose 10 pounds in 10 days. So it's called 10 and 10 by Fit with Brit and the whole Earn That Body trainers. So I'm following it. I am on track. I am only 4 days in and I'm already just about 7 pounds down. So I'm happy about that. So let's see how good or how many pounds that I'll be able to get down in 10 days. I'm excited about it. I'm motivated. I've been doing so good with my workouts and my eating. I'm happy. So this is April. I go to DR in June 19th. I'll be leaving. Surgery is on the 22nd. I'm staying prayed up. I'm doing what I have to do mentally, physically, and emotionally. I'm doing the work, so everything will be good. So this is just a weigh-in. Day 4, let's just say 6 pounds down. All right, so the next clip will be a weigh-in. All right, y'all. What's up, my girlies? So, this is my lunch. Late.
There will never be